Karl Brauer coming to you from Icon, a shop in Chatsworth, California that restores old vintage Broncos just like this one, or in this case, a derelict Bronco from Icon. They leave the body looking original, but everything underneath is completely modernized, making it a very capable car with the classic looks maintained. We're going to take it for a drive, and we're also going to tour the shop and see how they make their magic happen. Housed in an 80,000 square foot building, the Icon facility is capable of turning an original Ford Bronco into a modern SUV through a ground-up custom build process that takes approximately 16 weeks. Starting with a custom-engineered Art Morrison chassis, Icon adds an array of modern systems to give these Broncos 21st century driving dynamics. This includes a 5-liter Ford Coyote V8 engine offering 460 horsepower. The engine is backed by either a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive or a 5-speed manual transmission, depending on customer preference. Other features include Curry front and rear axles with locking differentials, a custom fuel cell, an Atlas twin-stick transfer case offering an 87:1 crawl ratio, Fox racing suspension components, and Brembo brakes. Bolted to this chassis is an original Ford Bronco body with varying degrees of appearance updates, depending on the customer's preference. The Icon Bronco we drove is described as a half-cab pickup derelict model, meaning it's fully updated mechanically while retaining visual imperfections to provide a real-world, aged appearance. The Icon Bronco's interior can also be configured according to customer preference. Modern technology, ranging from digital touchscreens to navigation guidance and satellite radio, are on the options list. But our test model's cabin maintained the vintage theme while benefiting from modern controls for the locking differentials and low-range transfer case. Other modern conveniences include enhanced LED exterior lighting and power-retracting side steps to ease entry and exit. How does this level of advanced engineering manifest when driving the Icon Bronco? Can the company really infuse a 50-year-old Bronco with modern-day driving characteristics? The short answer is yes. The powerful V8 engine provides rapid acceleration, while the Brembo brakes and Fox racing suspension make it easy to maneuver on city streets or cruise at highway speeds. After driving this Bronco on both paved roads and up dirt embankments, we can confidently describe it as the best of both worlds. All the style and nostalgia of a vintage Ford Bronco, with all the modern-day convenience, capability, and driving confidence of the newest Ford Bronco. If that sounds like a compelling pairing, you're not alone. There's a 2+ year wait to get an Icon Bronco, despite its $200,000 starting price. But if you're looking for the ultimate real-world, modern-day SUV dressed in timeless style, this one delivers.